Finding a niche that actually works will take some time, but eventually, these are the ways to do it properly. One thing to remember is that you have to niche down as much as possible in order to find an audience for your videos. So, for example, if you like sports, you won't start making videos about sports in general. You would want to do something like top 10 greatest football players of all time, or best goals scored in 2023. If you want to do videos about gaming, pick a game and talk about that. I did the mistake on a gaming channel where I was playing a game and then started playing another game. People subscribe to you for the topic you offer them. If your next video is about something different than what they subscribed for, you are likely to lose the subscribers. And also, YouTube might not recommend your videos as it should. At the beginning, you have to niche down as much as possible. And once you start to grow, you can expand your niche because you will have more subscribers which will watch your content, and that will help boost your video ranking. Another thing to consider is that different niches can get you different income based on niche and country. So, for example, the finance niche will bring more revenue than the gaming niche. Also, the same niche with US viewers will bring you more revenue than the same niche with viewers from India. You can do your own research on Google and see which niches earn a higher CPM. CPM, cost per mile, is a metric for how much YouTube's partner program pays creators for 1,000 ad views. CPM shows how interested advertisers are in investing in content in a certain niche and accessing YouTubers' audiences. The stronger this interest, the easier it is to monetize your channel, both through ads and avenues such as brand collaborations. 1. You can pick something that you are already good at. For example, you are great at cooking and you can do cooking videos. 2. You can pick something that you are interested in already. Take a look at your YouTube history and see what are the videos you are most interested in. Write them down, and maybe there's a niche that you can do videos about. The first place to start is a free tool offered by Google, and it's called Google Trends. Let's start with a few examples. I'd like to do videos about gaming, cooking, movies, and let's see which are the trends. To find accurate results, be as specific as possible. And well, gaming is not very specific, right? Because there are thousands of games, and I can't make videos for all of them. I created a gaming channel, and I did this mistake where I was playing a lot of games instead of being more specific. After I discovered this issue, I started playing only Spider-Man, which was just launched back then. I will enter here Spider-Man Remastered. Next, I like to cook vegan food, and I'm not going to enter just cooking as this term is too broad. So I will enter cooking vegan food. As for the movies, I enjoy watching the Marvel series. Now, depending where you are from, or where your channel will focus on getting subscribers, let's choose here, for example, United States. Choose the time frame as you wish, and I will choose YouTube search because that's what I'm interested in getting results from. As you can see, Marvel is searched the most. Now, let's see another method. We will go to YouTube and search for our keywords. Let's enter Marvel, and from filters, we will choose the upload date to this month or this year, and also choose the view count to see exactly how many views does this search term get. There will obviously be videos with a lot of views from old channels that are doing this regularly, so we can see this search term gets a lot of views. Let's do the other search term for Spider-Man, and we can see it's getting a lot of views, but it's half of what Marvel's search term is getting. You have to consider the number of videos that are out there for a search term. So Spider-Man, although popular, has less videos than Marvel, which has so many. That doesn't mean it's a bad search term. It's just one thing to consider when you decide on your final niche. Another method would be to find out your competitors' videos ranking. So, for example, I will pick this channel, go to videos, and sort by most popular videos. So what I would do in this situation is I might look at some of his most popular videos and see Is this something I want to make a video on? Is this something that's related to my channel, on my niche? And is this something that I could make a video on, meaning that I wouldn't copy his video? I would literally watch his video for inspiration, see what he was basically saying, and then put it into my own words, if that's something I could basically teach. I'd like to introduce you to 2 browser extensions that, from my point of view, are a must for every YouTube creator. This will help you with everything starting from titles, thumbnails, keywords, competitor analysis, daily ideas for your videos, and so much more. The first browser extension is vidIQ, and the second one is TubeBuddy. You can find the link for each of these in the video description, and also discount coupon codes. There are also free plans, and for more features, there are, of course, paid plans. They both have similar features, and I have used them both for my videos, but I choose to use vidIQ. Again, this is just my preference, and you can go over each of them, read the reviews, and compare them as you wish, and choose the one that suits you best. You will see in this course how important it is to have one of these tools. Another great tool to use is called SocialBlade. SocialBlade tracks user statistics and charts from multiple video sharing, social media, and gaming websites such as YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. You can use SocialBlade to track similar channels for video ideas and titles, with most creators adding unique touches to their videos. The idea is to find what's working for successful creators in your niche. SocialBlade provides the latest, most viewed, highest rated, and most relevant videos of users. The tabs display video titles and performance data. Those insights are a goldmine to support content planning. For example, you can research other videos in your niche to see their best performing videos. Then you can use the data on SocialBlade to plan your next videos. Suppose you want to create a self-challenge video about going vegan for a month. You can search for that query on YouTube to isolate similar videos. You can then drill down further on SocialBlade for those videos and creators to get a holistic picture of what's achievable with that topic. Next tool is Exploding Topics at explodingtopics.com, which has a free and paid version. You can see what are the trends based on categories, or you can even search the database. There is also a trial version for just $1, so you can explore the pro version as well. For me, this website did a very good job, so give it a try. YouTube offers a free way to find what works, and that is the auto-suggest feature. As you type into YouTube's search field, suggestions automatically appear. Those suggestions surface because of their popularity among YouTube users. For example, how to create a blog is a common search query and auto-suggested, whereas how to eat pig feet with chopsticks isn't. Here's a quick hack you can use. You can enter your keyword and then start with the alphabet, like pizza A, pizza B, or words in front, how, where, why, when, and so on. Upon generating search engine results, evaluate the view count of videos to determine user interest. Also, use filters such as upload date, type, duration, features, and sort by to support your planning further. For instance, filter to results for the past year to understand how videos performed for a given query